Hi guys, today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
I start my day with fresh watermelon juice. It's going to be a busy day. Let's check out what we set up. Looking good. I got so much things to do. Prepare the pool. Prepare the food. And giving the snacks to the neighbors. Just in case our pool gets noisy. I hope they like it. And of course, picking up my balloon. Now I'm ready for the party. Yay! Everybody arrived! I had the best day ever!
And he just finished swimming there, so he's like, oh.
No, don't go to the edge. No. Leo, if you really want to get in, I'll put the floaties on you.
Thank you for coming, everybody. This is my Thomas cake. It was a perfect birthday. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.